Hello students, welcome to the online studies of English medium. In today's session, you are going to learn about your subject Social Science of Standard 8th, chapter number 10, Following the Mahatma, part 2. This will be the exercise part of your chapter number 10. Let's start with the first one, that is choose the correct options. In that first one, which movement was started to break the unjust law of the government? Options: A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Khilafat movement, C. The Champaran movement, or D. Civil disobedience movement. So, correct answer is option D. Civil disobedience movement. Next question. Which incident occurred during the civil disobedience movement? Options: A. Establishment of national universities, B. Dandi March, C. Jallianwala Bagh, Mysore, or D. Bardoli Satyagraha. So, correct answer is option B. Dandi March. Next one, third. What did Gandhiji declare in 1930? Options: A. That he could undertake a march to break the salt law, B. That he could start a satyagraha by going into the indigo field, C. That he could remain present for the first round table in conference, or D. That he could undertake the leadership of the Darshana Satyagraha. So, correct answer is option A, that he could undertake a march to break the salt law. Now, next one, fourth. Who started the Dandi March? Option A, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Mahatma Gandhi ji, or D. Sarojini Naidu. So, correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Last question, question number 5. From where did Gandhiji started the Dandi March? Options: A. From Sabarmati Ashram, B. From Kochrab Ashram, Paldi, C. From Pavnar Ashram, Wardha, or D. From Sannyas Ashram, Alice Bridge. What is the correct answer? It is option A, from Sabarmati Ashram. Now, next question, fill in the blanks. In that first one, in 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would undertake a march to break the unjust dash. Answer is salt law. Second one, Gandhiji started the Dandi March from dash ashram in Ahmedabad. Answer is Sabarmati. Third one, Gandhiji started the Dandi March on 12th of March dash. Year, what it is? 1930. And fourth one, Gandhiji broke the salt law on dash 1930. Answer is 6th of April. In this chapter, you will have various dates and you have to remember that date. Okay, it is very important. Last one, the British government organized the first roundtable conference in dash city. Answer is London. Now, write true or false and give correct statement for the false answer. First one, Gandhiji started the Dandi March on 31st of March 1930. Answer is false. So, true statement, Gandhiji started the Dandi March on 12th of March 1930. Okay, next one. Due to the absence of the Congress, the first roundtable conference that met in London was unsuccessful. Answer is true. Next one, last. After March 1940, the Muslim League made the formation of Pakistan their main goal. Answer is true. Now answer the following questions. That first one, why did Gandhiji launch the Dandi March? Answer, Gandhiji selected Vinoba Bhave as the first individual satyagrahi. The British government had made salt a taxation commodity. Moreover, they monopolized the production and trade of salt. Mahatma Gandhi and other nationalists felt that it was unjust to put a tax on salt, as it is the most essential component of our daily diet. So, on 12th of March 1930, along with 78 companions, he had started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. The historic march became famous as the Dandi March. Getting it? एक चीज याद रखना कि दांडी मार्च क्यों किया था? To break the unjust law of salt. Next question. Why did the second roundtable conference fail? क्या था इसका रीजन? आगे भी आ चुका है. You should know it. Okay. So let's discuss. Answer is, Gandhiji attended the second round table conference held in London in 1931 as the sole representative of the Indian National Congress. A demand for separate electorates for Dalits and other communities was made at this conference. Since the communal problem could not be solved, this conference also proved unsuccessful. Gandhiji returned to India with a heavy heart. This was the reason. उसके वजह से ही क्या है, जो सेकेंड राउंड टेबल है वो भी अनसक्सेसफुल रहा. Now, third one. What were the proposals of cabinet mission? Answer. The various proposals of cabinet mission were: first, to establish total self-rule in the country; second, to divide the whole country into 3 provinces; third, allow India to design its own constitution; fourth, formation of an interim or provisional government till the constitution was framed. Now next one, that is short note. In that first question, you have to explain Quit India movement. Answer. In 1942, Gandhiji asked the British to leave India immediately. Gandhiji asked the people of India to follow the principle of do or die and to continue the struggle against the British in a non-violent manner. The historical resolution of Quit India was passed on 8th of August 1942 during the Mumbai session of the Indian National Congress. Gandhiji and other leaders were arrested on 9th of August. This gave a new impact on the movement. Thus, the Quit India movement spread all over the country. To curb this movement, the government adopted the suppressive measures like mass arrest. However, they were unsuccessful in stopping the Indians. And the British government realized that now their hold over the people of India would not be for law. And this resolution is great importance in India's struggle for freedom. Now, second short note, that is Dandi March. The British government had made salt a taxable commodity. Moreover, they monopolized the production and trade of salt. Mahatma Gandhi and other nationalists felt that it was unjust to put a tax on salt as it is the most essential components of our daily diet. So Gandhiji announced that he would carry out a march to break the salt law. On 12th of March 1930, Gandhiji, along with 78 companions, had started the Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. Gandhiji reached Dandi on 5th of April 1930. That is, the next day, on 6th of April, he reached the Dandi sea coast and picked up fistful of salt and broke the salt law. He said, "With this, I am shaking the foundation of British Empire." Farmers, tribal people and women actively participated in the movement. The government resorted to suppressive method and arrested thousands of satyagrahis. So, this was the end of today's session. I hope you have understood all the point. We will meet soon in the next session. Till that, stay home, stay safe.